Kalispera kiriskikiri. Today we're going to make beef with a delicious sauce and homemade French fries. This dish that we're making is for two. We have a nice piece of boneless beef, around 700 grams, which we're going to cut into slices around an inch thick. And each sliced piece, we're going to want to cut it around 4 to 5 pieces. We're going to need a pot, medium to high heat, add some olive oil, and then we're adding red onions. I add red onions instead of white because red onions give more of a sweeter flavor to the sauce. Let's cook the onions for a few seconds. Let's add the beef now. Before we add the tomato sauce and the paste, we're going to cook the beef until we see those juices from the beef come out, which is going to add a lot of flavor to the sauce. Let's add 3 nice pinches of salt and 1 nice pinch of pepper, and carry on cooking. Now this is what we want. Look at all that beautiful juice that the beef has released. It's just going to add so much flavor to the sauce. Let's add the garlic now. Give it a little stir now that we added the garlic. Let's add the tomato sauce. And the tomato paste. Now give everything a little mix so the tomato sauce, tomato paste, and the juices from the beef will combine all together. We're going to add a bit of water. One more pinch of pepper and 2 more pinches of salt, 2 nice pinches of oregano, one bay leaf, 1 chicken stock cube, half a cinnamon stick, and 5 little balls of allspice. And give it all a very nice stir. Now we want medium heat, a lid on our pot, and we're going to let it simmer for about an hour. While it's simmering, it's going to give us enough time to cut and cook our fresh homemade French fries. Because this is a dish for two, we're going to need 4 potatoes, which we're going to cut into French fries. If you're not in the mood for homemade French fries, you could use as well rice or mashed potatoes. They go just as well great with this recipe. Let's take a look at our sauce and meat. It's been simmering for about a half an hour. It looks like it needs a bit more water, so we're going to add some and let it carry on simmering for another half an hour. Now that we're going to let it simmer for another half an hour, it's going to give us enough time to fry our French fries. Now, let's toss the French fries into some boiling hot oil. For me, when I see the potatoes start turning slowly golden brown, I believe that they're ready. This is the way I like my French fries, just turning golden brown. Now we have a plate with a paper towel on top of it to absorb some of the oil. It's been simmering for about an hour, and this is what we want, a nice thick sauce. So it's ready, and it's time to serve. Like I said before, if you don't like homemade French fries, rice or mashed potatoes go great with this recipe. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.